Welcome back to Stone Post Outdoors. Today, dock day on the pond. Got some post, some boards. Before the pond gets any fuller, we're gonna get the dock built so that I don't have to swim like I did with the cinder blocks. So, let's get to it. These are gonna be the sides. So I'm just screwing those together so that it'll hold the post. I've got some extra tarp here and some cement board, and that's what I'm gonna use kind of just as a base for my post. I got the pyramids in my hands. Watch your noggin. We got some real meaty wood now. Wow. Bigger boards. You didn't think I was leaving them 2x4s, did you? 2x6s. Now I gotta unload them. They're pretty heavy. Oh well, we'll get her done. Here comes the rocks. That's the real reason that I'm out here today. So, truck's coming right down the driveway right now. So I've had this boat for about a year now, and I've never taken it out. You know, having a kid, got busy, whatever. So now, today is the maiden voyage for this pond prowler, for me. And I'm using it to beef up the dock. I don't know what we want to call it. I got a 2x10. We're going big. We've got some big structural screws. It's going to be stout. It's going to be sturdy. So, maiden voyage, dock, boat. Got the GoPro on over there. So you'll see me floating across the pond. Hopefully it's not the Titanic and we don't sink in the middle. Is it even a work truck if you don't have a 2x6 coming out your middle window there?